Hello everyone, this is Chris with Sigerfab and 21 Off-Road. What we have today is a great assortment of vehicles. Behind me, we've got the 392 Rubicon, we've got a Badlands Bronco 2.7 liter, and we have a Bronco Raptor with a 3.0 liter. Back there is our Defender 110X with an inline 6. It's turbocharged. It was like 3 liter. Anyways, what we were going to do today is install a blow-off valve adapter, the 21 off-road version, on our 2.7 liter. Now this works on the 2.3, which we used to have one, but when the hurricane came, it flooded that one. So we got a Bronco Raptor. Actually, we got the 392 Rubicon in that little time where we couldn't get a Bronco Raptor, and then we got the Bronco Raptor. So this is the 21 off-road blow-off valve adapter. It sandwiches in between the charge pipe and the stock diverter valve. This one was a prototype, so it doesn't have our branding on there. I will show you the install on our 2.7 liter. That will be the version that you will get if you choose to buy this. Now, what does it do? It just gives you that blow-off valve sound when you're hard on the gas and you let off real quick and that diverter valve opens up. It will be venting this to atmosphere and you will hear that. Let's give you a quick sound clip on the Bronco Raptor. Now I'm going to get the tools, let you know what they are, and we'll go right into this install. Okay, so there's a couple similarities and a couple differences between the 2.3 liter, the 2.7 liter, and the 3 liter engines. On all of them, the original bolts that they use is an E5 reverse TORX. That's what you'll have to use to get it out. For the 2.3 and 2.7 liter engines, we're going to use a normal screw. So you'll need a Phillips head screwdriver. And if you're installing this on the Bronco Raptor with the 3 liter, you will need an M6 hex Allen wrench, or in a pinch, looks like a 3/16 will work as well. So let's move over to our vehicle and get the original off. Alright, so we're going to use our E5 reverse socket on the OEM bolts.
Okay.
So as you can see, you may want to get the cable guides off before completely unscrewing them. You can go ahead and unplug this. And then as the last one comes off, make sure the factory gasket doesn't fall out. Just get your hand under there. This is the factory diverter. You can see the gasket pushed into there. Alright, so this is kind of the trickiest part of the entire installation. Take the 21 off-road blow-off valve adapter and your factory diverter valve. Now line these screws up. If you are over just a little bit, they won't line up if you're in the wrong holes. So spin that around until they're aligned. And then, since this is a 2.7 liter, we're going to be using these screws. Just slot them through there. And this is actually the tricky part that I was talking about. These gaskets. They just kind of sit in there gently. In shipping, if your gaskets are a little distorted, shape-wise, they're not perfect circles, just let them hang out on their own outside of the bag. Give them some time to relax. So you don't want to lose these gaskets. So hold all of that together. You might just want to use one bolt to hold it together to begin with. Just make sure everything is aligned properly. And then take your screwdriver. Let's go back to the vehicle. Alright, so I noticed on the charge pipe on the 2.7 liter that it pretty much goes straight out, whereas the Raptor has a slight angle to it. So this makes it harder for the rubber O-rings to stick in here. I had some electrical insulating compound around, so what I did is I just put a dab of that right in there to hold these O-rings. Anything that's safe for rubber would be safe for use here. I noted the alignment of the electrical plug was pointed down to the right, so that's how I'll reinstall this. I will gently put it in here so that the O-rings don't fall out. Butt it up against there and start tightening it. At least enough so that I can start on the other 2 bolts, making sure that this can lay flush against here. Once you get those screwed in, be sure to plug the plug back in. Make sure this is locked all the way. You hear that snap. Now let's start it back up and see what it sounds like. First, getting all of our stuff back out. There you have it. That's the installation of the 21 off-road blow-off valve adapter for your 2.3 liter inline 4, your 2.7 liter V6, and your 3 liter V6 in the Bronco family. For more videos like this, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you haven't already, hit that bell notification icon and give this video a like.